Hi, I'm Melissa Morris, and I'm the Development Assistant at the Nature Conservancy of Canada. The Nature Conservancy of Canada brings together local partners from government, industry, and communities to achieve conservation outcomes on the ground. We focus our efforts where they matter most, conserving Alberta's native grasslands, wetlands, and forests for the benefit of nature and people. At NCC, we've committed to conserving 30 million hectares of Canada's natural landscapes by the year 2030. To do this, we're strengthening and deepening our relationships with local landowners and Indigenous nations and communities.